This meeting is being recorded.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are. This is another part of Become a cTrader Master webinar. It's my pleasure to welcome you on the webinar, which is dedicated to the precious metals mm, markets on the TopFX broker. So today we are going to talk about the markets like gold, silver, pallet, platinum on the possibilities to trade this market on TopFX. If you want to know what are the trading specifications and trading conditions on precious metals on TopFX, all you have to do is to go to the TopFX webpage, which is topfx.com.sc, and go to trading. And from that menu, you have to choose metals. So if you click on metals, this menu will switch you to this web page. So what you can trade in TopFX in terms of the metals is gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Of course, you can trade it with raw spreads, low commissions when you choose the raw account, and with the razor sharp executions, or you can trade it with all-inclusive spreads and zero commissions and razor sharp execution when you choose the zero account. The leverage is 1 to 200 in TopFX on metals, and it supports all trading styles. It doesn't matter if you are short-term trader, if you are long-term trader, if you are scalper, if you are day trader, if you are a swing trader, doesn't matter. Uh, this market is available for any kind of a trader and all of the trading styles. The average order execution is under 30 milliseconds, and if you want to receive daily market analysis and in-platform signals, that's not a problem as well, because all of them are incorporated into the cTrader as one of the main features of this trading software. So what is metal CFDs trading? So when you trade CFDs, you speculate on prices derived from the underlying asset, but you do not own or deal on the underlying asset itself. Therefore, trading CFDs on metals means that you just trade the exchange rate of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium against the US dollar, and the other currency is euro. For example, if you believe that the price of gold will rise against the USD, you may enter a buy order, and if you believe that the price will fall, you may enter a sell order. So as I said, we offer you 1 to 200 leverage on metals, which allows you to gain larger exposure to the market, even with a smaller deposit. So as you can see, this is the precious metal trading in trading CFDs in TopFX. What are the advantages of trading metals with TopFX? Of course, you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 and on the cTrader across all devices. So you can trade from the desktop application, you can trade from the web page, of course, web application, you can trade on mobile, you can trade on iPad. So all of these devices are are available. Trading on all of these devices is available. No dealing desk execution is obvious for outstanding brokers and multiple trading methods. So you can trade manually, you can trade, of course, automatically, you can copy, or you can copy traders, the signal providers, or you can trade in platform signals. And of course, you can do all of this on one of the preferred pricing model with our zero or row account types. So what is the trading specification in TopFX for precious metals? So if we choose our platform, and our platform is a cTrader, so let's choose the cTrader whatsoever, you can see that symbol like the silver versus the euro. This time the leverage is 200 and the minimum lot size is 1 micro lot. Minimum spread is 0.2 pips. Then you got the silver versus the US dollar. The same situation, leverage is 1 to 200 and the minimum lot size is 0.1%. Minimum lot size is 1 micro lot and the minimum spread is 0.2 lots. On the gold versus euro, leverage is the same, 200. Minimum lot size is the same, 1 micro lot, but minimum spreads is 4 pips. On the gold versus the US dollar, most popular and most traded pair, the leverage is 200, of course. The minimum lot size is 1 micro lot, and the minimum spread is 3 pips. Palladium and the US dollar, the same situation, but the spread is 155.4 spread, 0.4 pips, the minimum spread, and the platinum on the versus the US dollar situation is the same, leverage 200, minimum lot size 1 micro lot, but the spread is 34.7 pips. So as you can see, various trading conditions are available in TopFX. All you have to do is to sign up, register your account, choose your platform, open the position and trade. So let's just switch really fast to the cTrader platform. As you can see right now, what I would like to show you is how to get to the metals. So of course, where you go to trade. Yeah, sometimes you might have this kind of a let's say desktop. Right, this is the desktop set, or some kind of a template, for example, like this big chart, a little bit about the market watch, a little bit of the let's say trade watch, of course, on the bottom. So all of your trades, as you can see, I don't have any trades open, and that's it. How do we find the precious metals in cTrader? You go here where the candles are, you click on this trade, yeah, and you go down from the menu, you choose the metals, you click on the arrow, and then you have all available markets here. Let's start with the most popular one, which is of course the gold versus the US dollar. And for the purpose of this video, let me just switch to the active symbol panels, because what do we want to see is the asset specification. So what do we see here on the gold? First thing is of course the central part of this setup is or template is the chart, and then we have the menu on the right. So commission per lot $2.75 in my account. Minimum trade quantity 1 micro lot, maximum trade quantity 1000 lots. Swaps. Swap long in pips is 7.3 minus 7.3 pips, and swap short is 2.35 pips. As you can see, when you are short on gold, you can be paid for the for holding the transactions overnight. So this is the trading condition generally on the gold market. As you can see, this is daily time frame. Sorry, this is hourly. This is hourly time frame chart. Daily is here, and of course, in that situation, you can easily see the previous, of course, the previous gold prices during the last, let's say, almost 7 months or something like this. And as you can see, the volatility is very nice. The market structure is very nice as well. Well, this is the most traded pair in the whole precious metals market range. You can trade this market almost 24 hours a day. As you can see, you got a small break here in the middle of the night, but you can trade it from Monday to Friday with the leverage. As you can see, I have now, as I said, 200 is the leverage. So that's about it. Is there any, let's say, signal for the gold these days? Let me just take a look if there is any signal for gold. There is apparently intraday signal is sell. This is signal is from the trading central. As you can see, you can trade this straight on from here. We talk about it before, which is not a problem to of course to do it. You can open the chart from this uh, menu as well, and you got all of these levels here. So if you want to, again, if you want to use it, that's not a problem. You can use, let's say, you can trade one full lot. Okay, that's not a problem. You can trade one full lot here, and if you click here sell, the order is filled, and now you are trading one lot of the gold to the US dollar. Again, the same situation. You can drag the lines here. You can draw some lines as well, not a problem here. You can drag the lines of the stop loss and of the take profit. As you know, I have it set it. I have set it automatically in the settings tab here. So this is my trade right now. I'm trading for the educational purposes only. I'm trading the one lot of the let's say of the gold. If I want to move my trade, for example, if I want to do something with it, I might use all of this let's say options available here. We talked about it before, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go and see what is this. So I'm going to move my stop loss. Let me just let's say I will move it a little bit lower, and the take profit, let's say I'm not that. There you go. I would take it to the target level, one below that level. So that's the situation. Here you got the confirmation, of course, not a problem. That's the gold market. I have one open position. This is the silver market. So in terms of the silver, of course, let's go to the symbol info. Base asset is silver, quote asset is dollar, P position is 2, lot size is 5,000 hours, which means the units. Commission is to 275. Minimum trade quantity 1 micro lot, maximum trade quantity 1,000. So exactly the same as it was with gold. And we have swap long in pips, minus 0.07, swap short in pips 0.02. So that's the situation here, and you can trade exactly the same market hours that you trade the gold, leverage to 100. So what is the situation with the silver market here, the second biggest market in the precious metals, of course. Let's see if we have any auto chartist here on the. No patterns for the silver so far. So apparently, of course, I can open some transaction here. Let's say I will open one lot. So one lot is a big kind of transaction, because it means that every pip will be $50. But let me say that I will just do it, and I will open for the educational purposes only one lot from the quick trade panel. So that's the one lot of the silver. So we got one open order on the gold market, one open order on the silver market. What do we have here is a silver market quoted to euro. So as you can see, mostly these markets are very similar. You can see euro and now dollar, quite similar market, aren't they? The movement is definitely the same direction. It's the downside. You can tell by this big uh, green, sorry, red, of course, red candles. What's the situation here? What's the symbol info? Base asset is silver, quote asset is euro. The same situation is with the lot size and with the commission, 2.75 dollar is being recalculated on your account, and swap long 0.01, swap short minus 0.066. Very interesting situation here. What we can do with this, let's say we are going to buy one lot again, because it's round number. For one lot, as you can see, it's USD 54. So the right now the situation is that I need to have like 625 dollars for the margin, and I have this, of course. I just click on the panel here, quick trade panel, and we are trading one order of the silver to the euro. Of course, the same situation is with the gold to the euro. Very similar markets. You see, this is the gold market to the 4-hour chart of the gold to the dollar. This is the 4-hour chart of gold to the euro. A slightly different market. Nevertheless, the conditions are very good to trade this market. The gold to the euro. We got, of course, the base asset as a gold. The quote asset is the euro. Commission per lot is 275. Nothing changed here. Minimum trade is 1 micro lot. Maximum is 1,000 lots. Exactly the same. Swap long in pips is 0.86. Swap short in pips is minus 5.05. So in that situation, of course, I'm going to trade this market as well. Let's trade this market as well. You can see the market hours are okay. We are still open. You can trade it 5 days a week, and you can trade it basically with 1 hour break. So what do we see here? Let me just say that I want to buy it. I will buy again. I will buy one full lot, not a problem. I will buy one full lot with the euro to the sorry, with the dollar to the euro. So let me just buy it, and there you go. So two not that much traded markets is, of course, the palladium and the platinum market. So as you can see, XPD to the USD is rallying high. It's rallying high because right now the situation is favorable for the buyers. Let's switch to the daily. You can see it even with that perspective. There you go. We have the breakout to the upside. So anyway, base asset is XPD. Quote asset is US dollar. Minimum charge is 0.01. There is lot size of 100 euros, and the commission per lot is 2.75. The same situation here. Minimum trade 1 micro lot, maximum trade 1000 lot, and swap for the long is minus 7.17. Swap for the short is 1.57. You can trade this market as any other precious market that I mentioned before, and the leverage is 200 as well. There is no change in the leverage, as you possibly notice. So this leverage of 1 to 200 will stay with us forever. Forever, will stay with us during this video, of course, not forever. So what we are going to do, we are going to buy for the educational purposes only. So we have one lot of the XPD bought, and the last market, as you can see, is XPT. Okay, this market is of course the market that is very popular as well. Not that popular as gold, but in the precious market, what is very popular. And this is the characteristic of this market. Please notice that the minimum charge is 0.001, and lot size is 100, and the commission is 2.75. So minimum trade quantity is 1 micro lot, maximum trade quantity is 1000 lots. Swap long is minus 6.10. Swap short is minus 12.58. Please notice the fact that this market is very is open 24 hours a day. Leverage is the same, so there's no problem with this. However, if you want to trade this market, you need to be very I mean, you need to be careful with every market. However, this market might be a little bit, you can see XPT. I have opened the one micro lot, which is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to buy one full lot. So again, if I will buy one full lot, you can see it here that every p value will be that big. It's $1, but because of the spread, you need to be always aware of the spread. My initial position might not be that good, so I'm minus 700 straight on because of the spread, basically on this market, and this spread is very very good for this apparently for this kind of the market. So then as you can see, let me just come back to this trade specification. So we got this XPD, which is palladium, and XPT, which is platinum. Okay, so this spread was 34.7, and the spread on the palladium is 155.4, which is why the situation was straight on different than on the gold and on the silver market. Nevertheless, we are still trading this, and if the market starts to move, we of course might change our trading behavior. But that's something for traders. I just want to show you guys the trading conditions on the cTrader and how to trade the precious markets with the cTrader. So please again be aware of the quantity, because one lot on the palladium and platinum is not the same what is one lot on the silver and the gold markets. Okay, so please be aware of this situation here. So generally it looks good. It looks very nice. Right now there was no problems whatsoever in opening these positions on this market. So everything is crystal clear, and of course according to your strategy, you should trade this market according to your strategy. So gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, gold to euro and silver to euro markets are available as well. That's everything from me for today. There isn't many markets, precious metal markets I would like to talk about. I think everything is clear. If you need more information, you can always take a look at the news where is the technical analysis. Some of this analysis is related to the precious markets as well. For example, we got the analysis from the 18 here from the from the earlier this day, from 6 p.m. gold price, for example, forecast is available for all of the traders that choose to use the cTrader platform. So that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this webinar. It was very short, it was very sharp, it included everything you're supposed to know in order to start trading the precious metals market on the TopFX. See you guys next time. I hope you will be with me with my another webinar next week. So have a good week, take care, and bye bye.